Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to show you how to find your recipients into Wise application. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to know your recipients, you just simply have to open your Wise application at very first, and after opening the Wise application, simply unlock it. And after unlocking your Wise, you will get to see this home page into your Wise account. And after going into this section, you will get to see this recipients option directly. Now you just simply have to tap into that recipient option, and then you will get to see all of the previous recipients that you have into here. Or if you want to find new recipients, you just simply have to tap to search bar and enter their name, voice tag, or email address and phone number. Just simply use any of those and search or find the recipients. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.